Did you know there are thousands of fires and injuries caused each year by the improper use of extension cords? Hi, I'm Jared from Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning, and in this episode of Now You Know, we're going to cover some safety tips on extension cords and how you can use them properly. Before you use your extension cord, you want to inspect the ends to make sure that they're not damaged. Check the rest of the cord to make sure it's not compromised as well. You should be checking the prongs of your extension cord to make sure that they aren't bent or missing. When you're using a grounded plug, you're going to have a third round prong in addition to both flat ones. Sometimes people remove this prong, which actually causes the cord to no longer be grounded. Please don't do this because it can actually cause an electrical shock. You want to make sure that the extension cord that you're using is rated appropriately for the power tool or small appliance you're using it for. When you buy a new extension cord, it's going to show you the rating right on the packaging. If your extension cord isn't rated high enough, it could potentially overheat, melt, or even start a fire. Next, let's take a look at the differences between indoor and outdoor extension cords. Now, you can use an outdoor rated extension cord inside of your home, but you should never, ever use an inside rated extension cord outside of your home. As you can see here, we've cut two extension cords in half, so you can see the differences in jacket thickness. An indoor rated extension cord has a much thinner, less durable jacket than an outdoor rated extension cord, which is much more durable. Now that you know which cord to use, let's talk about placement. When you're using your extension cords, you want to keep them outside of high traffic areas like doorways or walkways because they can pose as a huge tripping hazard. According to the National Electrical Code, you are not allowed to use extension cords as a permanent wiring method, especially for large appliances and systems like your water heater. Here's a quick tip. If you're using an electric heater, you should never, ever plug it into an extension cord or a power strip. Electric heaters consume so much more power, and that can actually melt the power strip or extension cord. You want to make sure that you're plugging it directly into a wall. If you're finding yourself using extension cords on a regular basis, you probably don't have enough outlets in that area. If you're interested in learning more about what it would cost to add a couple outlets to your home or work area, you can call the electricians at Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning or your favorite electrical company, and they can help you out. And now you know.